Imagine a computer so incredibly small that it easily fits right in the palm of your hand. Now, imagine that same tiny silver box is actually more powerful than a massive $3,000 professional workstation. For a very long time, this idea seemed completely impossible. It simply defied the laws of physics. You could not put that much extreme power into a small space without the entire thing melting down. But the tech world is about to be turned completely upside down. We're looking at a machine that will change everything you know about desktop computers. This is the story of the highly anticipated M5 Mac Mini. It is a computer that breaks all the old rules. Tech insiders are already calling it the ultimate Mac studio killer. It marks the absolute end of the budget era for Apple desktops. For over 10 years, the Mac Mini had a very specific reputation. It was always known as the cheap option. People usually bought the Mac Mini when they simply could not afford a true pro model computer. It was a basic, simple box. You would find it sitting quietly in a small home office. Sometimes it was hidden away in a dark server closet running simple background tasks. It was never the star of the show. It did basic tasks very well, but absolutely no one expected it to be a massive powerhouse. However, everything started to shift recently. The earlier redesigns kicked off a brand new era for Apple desktops. They showed the entire world that small computers could actually do some very heavy lifting. Now, Apple is ready to release something truly mind-blowing. The M5 Mac Mini is not just another small, boring yearly update. This is a massive leap forward in modern technology. For the very first time ever, Apple is putting their incredible Fusion architecture into a desktop this tiny. It is completely freezing the entire industry. This is the end of waiting. The rumors coming straight from the supply chain are getting incredibly intense right now. Professional video editors and top-tier 3D artists are actually freezing their budgets. They're completely refusing to buy new gear right now. They're actively holding off on buying those very expensive Mac Studio models. Why are they doing this? Because they know the M5 Mac Mini is about to completely destroy the old idea of what a budget computer is. It brings a level of raw power that should absolutely not fit inside a box this incredibly small. Most normal computers today struggle with a very basic problem. Their internal chips get way too hot. To fix this common issue, they need huge, loud, spinning fans. They also need a massive amount of electricity from your wall. Apple is doing the exact opposite here. They are shrinking the actual brain of the computer while making it significantly stronger at the same time. It is a true modern miracle. The brand new M5 chip is built on a highly refined 3-nanometer process. This pushes the absolute limits of what physics even allows us to do with silicon. But the most shocking part of this new chip is the raw graphics power. New leaks are showing an unbelievable 45% jump in GPU performance. That is not just a small step forward. That is a giant leap for a single generation of computer chips. If you edit heavy video files or work with complex 3D art, this completely changes your whole life. That extra graphical power means you simply do not wait for long renders anymore. The computer works so fast that you finish your job before you even realize it. This puts the tiny Mac Mini in a direct fight with giant, power-hungry desktop graphics cards that take up half of your physical desk. However, with all this incredible new power comes a very big change to the price tag. For a very long time, the Mac Mini was the most affordable way to ever own a Mac computer. But a price hike is almost certain to happen now. Apple is making a massive change to how they actually build these machines. They are physically moving their production out of their usual factories. Serious rumors suggest Apple is backing a brand new, state-of-the-art facility in Houston, Texas. They are officially moving away from the made in China label for this specific product. This is a historic and huge move for the entire company. Moving to the United States helps Apple avoid messy international taxes and expensive shipping tariffs. By building these complex machines right in the United States, Apple is protecting its own business. They want a strict rule. Why ensure that when the M5 finally launches, the supply chain is just as solid as the chip inside the box? But making things in America naturally comes with a much higher labor cost. The golden days of the $500 Mac Mini are likely gone forever. The brand new base model will probably start at around $699. To make this price bump a lot easier for buyers to accept, Apple is doing something truly great. They are fully doubling the base storage. You will very likely get 512 gigabytes of space on the absolute cheapest model. This clearly proves the M5 Mac Mini is no longer just a budget choice for beginners. It is a legitimate, serious powerhouse. It is essentially your own personal AI server. You might be asking yourself a very good question right now. Why would Apple put so much insane power into their absolute cheapest computer? To find a real answer, you have to look very closely at their massive master plan for artificial intelligence. We are quickly entering a time where AI does not just happen on a distant, invisible web server. It happens right on your physical desk in your own home. Apple calls this Apple Intelligence. The neural engine inside the new M5 chip is rumored to be 4 times faster than the previous generation. This huge jump in speed is absolutely incredible. It is not just about making Siri a little bit smarter. It is about doing real-time video upgrades while you actively edit. It is about running massive, complex AI models locally on your own private machine. Apple truly wants the M5 Mac Mini to become the digital brain of your entire home. They want you to have a literal supercomputer sitting right in your living room. Doing AI locally on the machine allows you to handle all of your private, sensitive data safely and very quickly. No one else on the internet can ever see your data. Imagine rendering a massive 3D movie scene while an AI instantly summarizes all of your daily Zoom meetings in the background. The computer will not even stutter or slow down for a single second. Apple is essentially selling you a personal, local AI server. But this incredible power brings up a very big concern. Many people are wondering about the heat. The design is incredibly small, heavily rumored to be just 5 inches by 5 inches. If this new M5 chip is so much more powerful, how in the world does it stay cool without melting? The secret is hidden in a brilliant internal redesign. Apple is using something brand new called thermal pillars. They are also using highly advanced 2.5D packaging technology. This specific tech physically separates the CPU and the GPU into different individual silicon tiles. Instead of having one really big, glowing hotspot in the middle of the motherboard, the intense heat is spread out evenly across the whole surface. This brilliant engineering allows the tiny Mac Mini to run at intense, pro-level speeds for hours of time. It stays perfectly silent while it works incredibly hard. It does not sound like a jet engine taking off inside your quiet bedroom. The silicon itself is really where the true magic happens. The base Model M5 chip features a 10-core CPU, but has a crazy new feature called supercores. These specific cores are made perfectly for single-threaded tasks. Single-threaded speed is what makes a computer actually feel fast when you use it day to day. When you click a very heavy, massive app and it opens instantly, that is the supercore doing its job perfectly. These new cores are not just faster than the older versions. They are significantly smarter, too. The M5 chip uses a brand new predictive branch algorithm. This crazy, futuristic technology actually anticipates your very next move. It actively tries to guess what you will click or calculate before you even move your physical mouse. The delay between your human thought and the computer's action is dropping to almost zero. You're finally no longer fighting against slow, laggy software. But the M5 Pro version is where things get even crazier. It uses that amazing new fusion architecture. This tech literally bonds 2 separate pieces of silicon together into one single, massive system. The communication speed between these parts is faster than anything we have ever seen before in history. The memory bandwidth on this tiny machine could go over 300 gigabytes per second. That is significantly faster than high-end custom gaming PCs that easy. LY cost 3 times as much money. The incredible fusion architecture ensures the CPU and GPU share their memory with absolute zero friction. It is heavily rumored to easily support a full 4K video editing project and a complex 3D rendering model at the exact same time. You usually only ever see this kind of raw, insane power in super expensive ultra chips meant for giant studios. Bringing this specific tech to the tiny Mac Mini is a total game changer for everyone. Another massive upgrade is the internal storage. Top tech reporters are saying there is a brand new SSD controller hidden inside this machine. This piece of tech could actually double the speed of the older hard drives. We are looking at crazy read and write speeds up to 14 gigabytes per second. This means you can move a massive 8K video file in just a couple of short seconds. This insane speed actually makes your physical storage feel exactly like extra RAM memory. The computer simply never has to wait for data to load ever again. Your computer will completely boot up in just a couple of short seconds. Massive, Heavy apps like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro will open the exact moment you click their small icons. You will literally never see a spinning wheel or a frustrating loading bar ever again. This is the actual death of waiting. Everything you want to do happens in the absolute blink of an eye. When you combine all this raw power with brand new Thunderbolt 5 ports and crazy fast Wi-Fi 7, the potential is just huge. You could easily have a very clean desk setup that drives 3 massive 6K displays all at once. The tiny Mac Mini will handle it all perfectly without ever breaking a sweat. It makes the machine totally future-proof for many long years to come. It will be the ultimate desktop king. As someone who analyzes the raw data, the advanced thermal physics, and the architectural leaps we are discussing here today, my honest opinion is that this concept represents the most disruptive computer Apple could possibly build in a decade. While we must ground ourselves in reality, remembering that we are currently watching the M3 and M4 generations unfold right now, these massive M5 supply chain leaks are incredible predictions of our near future. The underlying computer science is very real. The major shift toward 2.5D packaging and the hard push for local neural engine-driven AI proves that Apple is taking small form factors completely seriously. A machine exactly like this permanently erases the solid line between a normal home computer and a heavy professional workstation. Unless you absolutely need a massive, crazy number of ports on the back of your computer, an M5 Class Mini will easily do everything the huge Mac Studio can do, but for just a fraction of the price. It gives incredible power back to regular people. If you've been patiently waiting to upgrade your slow, old computer, a generational leap like this would be the absolute perfect moment to finally do it. The M5 Mac Mini is exactly that bold, futuristic vision finally coming to life right on your desk. I truly believe this will be the most popular desktop Apple has ever created. If you like this video and found this information helpful, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech. See you in the next one.